Chapter 1, Introduction to the Parliamentary System. Let us understand today the system of government of India. The government of India is divided into three parts: legislature, executive, and judiciary. The nature of the legislature is to make laws for the country. The nature of the executive is to implement laws for the country, and the nature of the judiciary is to provide justice, that is, the courts in the country of India. There are two main types of government. First is the parliamentary system, and next is the presidential system. In the parliamentary system, the head of the country is the president, followed by prime minister, followed by council of ministers. Whereas in the presidential system, the head of the country is only the president of the respective country. Let us understand the characteristics of the parliamentary system. The first country to accept this system was the country of England. The Indian Parliament consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India, where you have elections that take place after every 5 years. Various political parties are there, and the party which wins with majority of the votes becomes the victorious party, and the head of that particular political party is selected as the prime minister of the country, and other becomes the council of ministers who actually runs the country. The Parliament of India consists of President, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Even though the country of India considers the President as the head of the country, the actual people who function or who run the country is the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, and that is why they are called as responsible system of the government. Each departments are formed. For example, Department of Education, Department of Health, Department of Agriculture, and each departments are allotted to a particular minister to take care of that. And that is why it is called as the supreme body or the important body of the Indian government. India adopts parliamentary system. All of us know India has a president, India has a prime minister, and when you have about prime minister, it deals with the parliamentary system. India was familiar with the system because all of us know India was ruled by the Britishers. And this parliamentary system emerged firstly in the country of England, and that is why when Britishers were ruling the country of India, they followed parliamentary system. And because of that, after independence also, India continued to follow parliamentary system of the government. Discussion and deliberations takes place. As I said, two important parts, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, are the integral part of the Indian government. Lot of discussions takes place which helps to run the country effectively and smoothly. These two reasons are the important ones which makes India adopts the parliamentary system and not the presidential system. In the presidential system of the government, President is the head of the country. All the countries like United States of America, Russia, they have adopted the presidential system of the government. When you have such type of government, the president has a lot of powers, the powers to implement laws. The president for this country is directly elected by the people of that country. Let's summarize what we have learned. Form of Indian Parliament, legislature, executive and judiciary. Two important forms of government are the parliamentary system and the presidential system. In the parliamentary system, the prime minister is the head, whereas in the presidential system, president is the head.